Dear students, in my last video, I had discussed about the distance formula, and that time I said I will cover some questions from your exercise. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, I think those are not so difficult. Now come to end of chapter exercise from your NCERT book. Question number 1 is very easy, 2 also very easy. Now question number 3, that based on your distance formula. So what is the question? Consider the points R. So R equal to 3, 0. Here your abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 0. And similarly question number then A is equal to 0 minus 2. The second point A is 0 and minus 2. Here your abscissa 0 and ordinate is minus 2. Similarly M minus 5 and minus 2. M is minus 5 minus 2 and P is minus 5 and 2. First we will plot them on the coordinate plane, that means Cartesian plane. So here suppose this is my Cartesian plane, this is x and x dash, y and y dash. This is my origin 0 and here from origin to right it is our positive points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continue onward. And similarly minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 on the left continue in that side and upward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here downward minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So now first I have to plot R. It is 3 and 0. This is 1, 2, 3. X is 3 and Y is 0. It is on your x axis. Similarly, A is 0 and minus 2. 0 and minus 2. This point is 0 and minus 2. It is on your y axis. Next, minus 5 and minus 2. So, go minus 5 unit in the x axis. That means left and downward minus 2 on y axis. This point is your M. Minus 5 and minus 2. And similarly minus 5 and 2. The first question, after plotting this, join it. Now it is a quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral it is? Can you say? भूल पाओगे क्या किसी तरीके का ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है तुम्हारा? कोई डेफिनाइट है? पैरेललोग्राम, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, rhombus, trapezium. Is anything it is? I think it should be think by yourself. तुम ये सोचोगे कि ये किस तरीके का क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, बट मेरे हिसाब से इट इज़ नॉट ए डेफिनाइट पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, ओनली इट इज़ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. अब समझ में आ रहा है ना? चारों साइड है तो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है. So what we will think? Now we will proceed the questions. Two sides of RAMP ramp that are perpendicular to each other. Two sides. Look at the figure. अब ये फिगर को देखो AM and MP. AM is parallel to your x axis. Similarly, MP is parallel to your y axis. They are touching at a point M. So, AM is perpendicular to MP. Are you clear? Second question. One side of RAMP that is parallel to one of the axis. So, which? AM parallel to x axis and MP parallel to y axis. अभी समझ में आ रहा है ना? Now come to third question. Two sides that are mirror images of each other in one axis. Before this I had discussed about mirror image. So minus 5 and minus 2, the same distance from x axis, the same distance from x axis. Minus 5 and minus 2, minus 5 and 2, upward 2 unit, downward 2 unit from the same point minus 5. So you know about the reflection of mirror in physics. So these two are the mirror images of each other. So minus 5 and 2 and minus 5 minus 2 are the mirror images of each other. From which axis? X axis. Are you clear? today only this question number 3. Tomorrow question number 4 I will discuss, and question number 4, 5 tomorrow I will discuss. Thank you.